What is up, viewers? This is my 2004 1500 Chevy with a 5.3 in it, and this is my Borla exhaust video for it. I'm going to just give a quick breakdown here, and then I'm going to get right into the sound clips. It has 1 3/4 inch Longtube Headers, catless Y-Pipe with resonators built in, 3-inch mid-pipe going back to the Borla number 485 XR-1 series muffler. It has a Magnaflow Y merge, 3-inch single, 2.5 dual, flowing into mandrel bent 2.5-inch tailpipes. And they are finished off with 4-inch by 14-inch GoRhino stainless steel exhaust tips. Motor-wise, the truck does not have anything really done to it. It's stock 5.3 LM7 block. It's pretty much just exhaust and 208,000 miles, so. Makes a good note. Oh, she do sound healthy.
We're giving the black stock. Where do you want to do your sound clip at?
Oh, down that way.
Where we did before?
Yeah.
Darn, it's not icy and dark out. Where can you donuts? Gonna get there someday?
Okay, so here we are cruising at 50 mile an hour, the torque converter locked in, and I'm speaking with my normal speaking voice, so it's not very an intrusive sound on the interior. It's pretty nice. There's a nice little hum, nothing overbearing at all. And when you punch it, you hear it a lot better. But it's very pleasant on the inside, so all the noise is outside and then it's inside when you want it. It's a really good setup. I am very happy with it. It's a very deep, muscly tone. All right, there we have it. That's the Borla XR-1 on a 5.3 Chevy with headers. Pretty good sound. I'm very happy with how it sounds. One of the real big things that I like about the Borla is how it maintains its tone throughout the whole RPM band, like 5,000–6,000 RPM. It still is deep, and it still projects sound out very, very well. Whereas like certain mufflers like a Magnaflow, it has tone until like 3,000 RPM, and then it's just like straight pipe rasp. And it doesn't have that restricted like flow sound that like Flowmaster chamber mufflers kind of rob you from. The way the tone is like formed, it just sounds really good to me. I really like how it is under throttle. And the IL-2 pulsates pretty good too, kind of like a chamber muffler. I put like a good portion of that towards the headers, but alright guys, let me know what you think, and I'll be putting out more content for this truck, my Duramax, and my Trans Am here real shortly too. I got some things here going on. That's pretty much that. Oh, and here is that Flowmaster that came out. This is a stainless steel Super 10, the T409. And all I got to say, and there's your proof, all I have to say is, wow. The Borla's not going to do that being 304.